Hi there my gorgeous people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl here, Jay Makori, and if you've not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. For today's video, I'm going to show you a makeup starter kit for beginners. If you're a beginner, like you don't know where to start from with makeup, I'm going to show you the exact products you need as a beginner. The first thing you need as a beginner, you'll need a foundation. And for my case, I'm using a Maybelline Superstay foundation. You need a foundation, you'll need a face powder, you'll need a concealer, you'll need a facial setting spray, and you'll need a beauty blender. So for today's, it's all about beginner starter kit makeup product. So let's start it. I've already primed and prepped my face, so we're just jumping straight to the foundation, and I'm using the Maybelline Superstay foundation in the shade Caramel. Always check your liquid foundation. I like putting my foundation on a flat surface and mostly on my palm. So you take a damp beauty blender, by damp I mean put your beauty blender in water and press the excess water. You can put in your towel and squeeze the excess water. Next, we're going to concealer, and I'm using the LA Pro concealer in the shade Pure Beige. For concealer, make sure it is a shade lighter. And again, actually, it is not a must to conceal your under eye. If you feel like after foundation you have the full coverage, just go on to your face powder. Blend in the concealer using the exact blender used for the foundation. So for the foundation, I use this side, the concealer I turn it the other side. After concealing, go in with your face powder, and I'm using the LA Pro face powder in the shade Soft Honey. The exact part used for concealing, just press it inside your powder. And set in. Concealers tend to crease a lot, more so under the eye, so you have to set that area in immediately. Next, you're going to set your entire face using your face powder and your beauty blender. So you just place your beauty blender inside the powder and go pressing all over your face, setting everything in. And next, you check your facial spray and spray and set everything in. Close your eyes and put your facial spray a distance away from your face. Give it some seconds for the facial spray to set in. Next, I'm going to do my lips, and I'm going for Colourpop in the shade Ariba. And that's the final look. If you're a beginner, trust me, get these products. They'll be very helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching this video, and if you found it so helpful, please give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comment section. And again, if you've not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. Bye bye, until next time.